Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be sharing with you super easy, simple sticky chicken wings recipe, and these chicken wings are covered in a sticky glaze, making each bite delicious. And now we will cook the chicken wings for another 3 to 4 minutes on low medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes we will remove the lid and we will add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. We'll cover again and we'll allow them to stick for another 3 to 4 minutes. After another 3 to 4 minutes, we'll check the wings. We'll cover again and we will allow them to cook completely for another 3 to 4 minutes on low medium flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, we'll check again. Now once the outer layer of the chicken wings turns golden on outside, we will transfer them to a bowl or a plate. To the same oil, we'll add 1 piece of ginger finely chopped, 8 to 10 garlic cloves finely chopped, 2 red chilies whole, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. And now we'll saute for like 30 seconds. So here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cooking wine or sake, 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. Now we'll mix up everything. And wait for a boil. Once the mixture starts boiling, we will add the fried wings to the pan. Mix again. And now we will cover again and allow them to simmer in the sauce for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, we'll remove the lid. And now, since the wings are completely cooked, we don't have to cover them again. Continue to cook and continue to stir in regular intervals until they are well coated with the sauce. And now they have completely absorbed the sauce, completely glazed, looking so beautiful. We will dress them with the finely chopped coriander. We give them a mix. Turn off the flame and we will discard these red chilies. And we will discard the cinnamon stick before serving. So now let's serve. So here I've served these yummy sticky chicken wings and I hope you are liking this recipe. Let's garnish them and give them the final touch with my favorite sesame seed topping. So enjoy this recipe with chilled mojito of any of your choice and enjoy more such recipes on Tinsy's Tasty Table. I hope you like our videos. In case if you like our videos, please drop your comment in the comment section box. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for giving us your time. See you again in the next episode on Tinsy's Tasty Table and Travel. Until then, take care and bye bye.